Where are we, Ava? Pinnacle! Pinnacle! Giant mountain. Can't really see it. Giant mountain. And it's my birthday. It's her birthday. Wait. Today we are with one of my friends and we are gonna climb Pinnacle Mountain. I'm her friend. Her name's Caroline. Yeah, I'm Caroline. I can introduce myself, thank you. Okay, I wanna hold it real quick. Okay. And this is where we're starting.
Yup.
It's really pretty. So we're in Arkansas. We're going to start with the easy trail first and then hike back down. Maybe 2 hours, who knows. So let's get started. Well, we can't. We have to wait for your parents. Just wait 1 second, guys. Hi.
It's Ava's birthday. And let's climb Pinnacle. Yep, 10 years old.
And they're already leaving us, so
and let's go.
I feel like I have to stand on my tippy toes anytime you're with that camera.
Yeah, I know.
So, anyways.
All right, let's go.
This is the start of our Pinnacle journey.
Look.
Birthday journey! Yeah. This is a documentary of a family climbing Pinnacle. You can see me, hello. I will be your narrator today. Yeah. And we are going to be adventuring in Pinnacle. I'm really excited for this. I've never actually videoed stuff like this before, so let's do this and have fun. So Caroline, have you climbed Pinnacle before? I've climbed it once, but I was only a little kid. Me too. And then today you will be adventuring with Jamie, Chris, and Lola. And then Ava. And of course me. And it's my birthday, guys. And it's her birthday, so that's why we're climbing. And I get to call the shots. Yes, I know you've never done it. Climb huge rocks in Goblin Valley. Now this is something. Da-dum, da-dum, da-na-na-na.
Mosquito. Poor mosquito.
Ah!
Hey.
Yep, time to go to the playground. That's fun. Yeah, I'm ready for some cheese dip.
Okay. Right there. Catch it, for real.
Lola, where are we going? The playground, all right.
I was just thinking back, like, I don't remember my 10th birthday. So I just thought that this would be a neat little keepsake to hold on to the memories. If we made this video of Ava celebrating some of her 10th birthday, so that way she'll always have that to look back on. So thanks for following along, and just continue to tune in if you want to keep up with our journey and what we're doing.
Yeah guys, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions whatsoever, just shoot us a comment down below. If you like these videos, hit the like button, and for more upcoming videos, just hit the subscribe button. That way you can get a notification for the next upcoming video. Thanks for watching, guys.